Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This is part 2 of our waffle fries video. Let's continue and make them even better. An air fryer works even better when you want extra crispness with less oil. The moving hot air hits the ridges and holes well, so the fries brown faster. Still, do not fill the basket too high. Shake it once or twice during cooking, and you will get a more even finish. If you are choosing between the two, the oven is better for big batches. The air fryer is better for speed and sharper edges. Both methods improve when you preheat first. A hot surface starts crisping the outside right away, so the potatoes do not sit there and soften. Salt timing matters too. If the fries already contain seasoning, wait until they are done before adding more. If they are plain, a light sprinkle right after cooking sticks best. That little detail makes a big difference. Deep frying tips for restaurant-style texture. Deep frying gives waffle fries their crispiest finish because hot oil hits every surface at once. That is why restaurant fries often have that shattering edge and rich golden color. At home, keep the process simple and safe. First, use a deep pot with enough room so oil does not rise too high. Next, fry in small batches. Overloading drops the oil temperature, and then the fries absorb more oil instead of crisping. When they turn golden brown, lift them out and let excess oil drain on a rack or paper towels. For the best texture, salt them while they are still hot. Also, keep water far from the pot, since moisture can make hot oil splatter. With a little care, deep-fried waffle fries come out close to what you would expect at a diner or burger spot. Easy ways to serve waffle fries at home. Waffle fries fit almost any casual meal. They can be a side dish, a snack, or the base for something a little bigger. Because they hold toppings so well, they work when you want comfort food without much effort. Simple seasonings and toppings that add big flavor. Plain waffle fries are good, but a few quick extras can wake them up fast. Seasoned salt adds a classic fast food feel. Garlic parmesan brings a richer, savory note. If you want heat, try Cajun seasoning or a drizzle of spicy mayo. Cheese sauce is a natural match because it settles into the ridges. Bacon and green onions add crunch and freshness on top. Even ranch or barbecue sauce can turn a simple tray into a shareable snack. Keep the toppings balanced, though. Too much sauce can soften the crisp edges that make waffle fries special. A light hand usually tastes better. What to serve with waffle fries for an easy meal? These fries pair best with foods that feel casual and hearty. Burgers are an obvious match, since the crisp fries balance the soft bun. Chicken sandwiches work just as well, especially with pickles or a creamy sauce on the side. They also fit nicely with grilled chicken, pulled pork, or a simple turkey melt. For game day, pile them next to sliders, wings, or dipping sauces and let people build their own plate. That is where waffle fries shine. They feel fun, filling, and easy to share. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.